Alright. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. We're back in business. There was no stream on Friday. We had NFP. But we are back to business this week. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me just get the charts up here. But yeah. Welcome back to another week. Today's Tuesday, the 10th of October. We have had some incredible moves on gold over the weekend. And yesterday, gold had some incredible moves. Let me just quickly check the calendar for today. Clean day. Nothing today. PPI tomorrow. It's going to be an interesting week. A very, very interesting week. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. Get them viewers pumping up. Get more people in the chat. And we'll get started in about 10 minutes here. Start in about 10 minutes. We'll let a few more people join. I'm just marking up the charts quickly here. Looks like gold has had some big moves overnight again. Big moves. Let me just refresh this. Nasdaq pumping up higher as well. Is oil still pushing up? I know oil gapped up quite a lot now. Oil's not really moved too much. Oil had a big gap up on market open. Kind of slowing down a little bit, which is good. Let me get oil futures up here. Nice little head and shoulders on oil before the drop, actually. Yeah, I'll wait a couple more minutes, let a few more people join. And then we will get started. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Ready to come back for another week. Another good, profitable week last week as well. We've been on a pretty nice run in the markets recently. So we'll see what today brings. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to grab a tissue. I'm going to sneeze. Let's see who's joining Zoom. We'll start Zoom in a second. What time is it? 5:02. Cool. Gonna get this hourly close in like 5 minutes. As soon as we have that hourly close, we shall start breaking down the charts. See what we got going on for the day. See what London brings. That's gold looking gold. Gold having a little dip down this morning. What did Asia do today? Did Asia really do anything? No. Asia didn't really do too much today. You got some nice liquidity levels on gold today though. Some very nice liquidity levels. Time is it? 5 minutes. Cool. Let me just let the guys in on Zoom. Right, let me make sure I got this on. Alright, cool, we're on. Alright, what's going on Zoom, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. I'll wait a couple more minutes and we'll get started. Asia whipped my stop loss out on Nas. That's what Asia did. Oh man, let me take a look. Let me see what Asia did here. What did Asia do? Let's have a look. Had a nice little run up. Yeah, Asia probably Moved nicer on NAS than it did on gold. What time is it? A couple more minutes. Let me turn this down a little bit. Alright, a few more people are joining and we'll get started in a second.
Hey man, how you
Yo,
doing?
what's going on, man?
Very good. How was?
Yeah, good, thank you, man. All good.
How we doing? How we doing?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you, man. Good. Chilling.
Ready to get into it?
Yeah, ready to get stuck in, man. See what today brings. See what we got coming on for today. What time is it? 2 minutes. Alright, we'll just get started in a second. Let's do it, let's do
Are
it.
you on YouTube as well?
Yeah, man. Continuing the challenge.
Cool, cool.
Continuing the challenge today.
How's that going?
Not very well. I think it's about like minus 2,000 or something.
Oh, jeez. Is it 100k?
Is it?
Okay.
Let me see.
Did they take a phone?
Oh no, minus 1,000.
Yeah.
So it's had two losses in a row.
Yeah.
So you guys on YouTube, you got to redeem yourselves today.
Hey everyone.
Hey, how's it going, Drew?
Good.
Good man. Is everyone here? I think everyone's probably here.
Hey Angel, what's up?
Hey, bro. How you doing?
All good. How are you? How was your weekend?
Good, man. Busy. Very busy. How's yours?
Alright, let's do it. I think everyone's probably here. Gonna get Audi closed in 1 minute. Alright, let's do it. Hello, Riley, what's going on? Alright, let's do it. So, it's gonna start from scratch this week. It's my first time kind of properly jumping on the charts this week. Didn't really watch anything yesterday. Did some brief analysis. Ended up playing out pretty well. Let me just have a quick look at last month's close on gold. Very bearish. Okay. So weekly on Goldie. Hi, hey Mucky, what's going on? Right, let's do some bigger weekly levels here on gold actually. So obviously gold has had a big fundamental push up this week. It's not really anything technical on this big push up other than coming into this weekly level of support and bouncing higher. So I'm not going to give too much analysis on like daily and weekly because anything can happen at any point. Obviously, technical wise, we did come down. We grabbed all these daily lows and had a nice little push up. And obviously, market open has just instantly pushed up with no bottom wick. So it's a very, very big push up. It's all due to that fundamentals that's going on. So yesterday was a bank holiday in the US, and then today I don't think there's really any news. We came down, we grabbed these previous 4-hour lows, and we continued pushing higher. And we're kind of now coming back up into, let's say back up into like these levels here. Call it maybe, let me just see, 1865. Let me tell you guys 2 seconds. So yeah, gold is obviously just still continuing to push higher. There's a little correction here. We came down, we look at lows, continue pushing up. Previous 4 hour has actually just, let me get rid of this for a second, has just closed with no bottom wick, which is interesting. So you're probably starting to find some support. You haven't really grabbed any of the highs. So with gold being overall very, very bullish, it looks like a potential pullback in Asia to potentially keep pushing higher. Now we've already had a liquidity grab to the lows. If I go down to the 5 minute on this currency chart, because we've had a nice liquidity grab to the lows, but we haven't actually grabbed any highs. So these are the lows that are being grabbed here. Had a nice little double bottom there, come down, wicked out the lows, tried to push up, had a little retrace, and now we could see this start to push a little bit higher in this London session. You kind of got a little trend line coming on down here as well. I think there's another one that you faked out of like here kind of broke out, about to break out into another one there. And yeah, before this little correction down here, you can see that gold hasn't grabbed this high up here. So if I just get rid of this, I'm just going to get rid of this because it's pretty much all the way up here. But this high is going to be a level of interest. Anyone who is short from here or here is going to have stops above this level. So ideally, we want to be looking to see if we can get a long position into that. And, you know, from where we're currently sitting, we get nice strong here. As soon as you got nice liquidity up there as well, let me just show you guys, I've just spotted. Nice liquidity level there as well. So if you get a strong close here without grabbing these highs, little bottom wick, from here, you know, tier 10, runners back up into them highs is going to be like a nice little 40 tick move. So 5 minute there is actually looking pretty clean. Is that no bottom wick on this current hourly? Let me just...
tiny one.
Yeah, tiny little fucker. So yeah, it's kind of still bouncing off support. 15.
I
Yeah.
was looking for some buys, but there were no clear liquidity grabs. So
Yeah, I agree, man. I actually kind of like... You kind of got a little left shoulder head. Even to play
Yeah,
back up into this right shoulder could be quite nice.
15 minutes was interesting, but there were no real entries on the 5 minute.
Yeah. So I quite like this potential level today as a first target. As long as you don't keep pushing, like 20 ticks back up into there. We get a bottom wick on this next 5. We could have a potential play here quite soon, actually. Coming back up into this little resistance here. Let me just get Ninja up here. Yeah, so 30's come down, grab these lows, didn't actually close below the support, so support's still being held. So if you come and break these highs like this, you're probably going to see a nice little drive up here. If this 5 minute can open and give an instant bottom weight, you could have buys up into this high for a quick little scalp and see if we can keep pushing here.
Would have been interesting if it grabbed these lows.
Yeah. No bottom wick, sweet. No bottom wick. Typical gold, instant push up, no bottom wick. If we got a quick bottom wick here, we could have actually had a little quick scalp there. See if it will give it. I don't think so. Typical Goldie. Helped the hype of gold buying a bit. I would not be surprised to see a dip. Yeah, it definitely, yeah. It's that huge push on gold is purely off that news. Yeah, it's only off that news. It's just safe haven flows. Safe haven flows, and there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets. Do you think order blocks are useful for gold? I never use them, man. Never use them. I don't think there's such thing as order blocks. It's just support and resistance for the most part.
Order blocks are more similar to demand and supply.
Yeah. It's all the same shit.
Yeah, very similar to support and resistance.
Yeah, always is.
I was trading order blocks before this.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Like the thing with order blocks is like you cannot trade like we do, because in order blocks I generally used to place limits like buy limit and sell limit, like after a break of the structure and when price comes back.
Yeah.
So that was more like dependent on what current price is doing rather than reacting.
Yeah, it brings in a lot of predicting because you don't wait to assess price action. You just people put in limit orders and just expect price to push off that level, which to me doesn't make any sense.
Yeah,
Doesn't make any sense. So we now have more of a bottom wick on that 30, which is kind of nicer now. You know, we are with respect to big 30 resistance there. You're probably going to see some Some 5-minute lows get grabbed here. The more we can see this gold push down, the more likely we have to long now, because this is going to be a nice little level here, here, here. Cool. Thanks, guys. Yeah, no worries, man. Give me rid of these.
Oh,
Ooh, there you go. Look at that push.
Nice push. 20 ticks.
Friendly fight. What's going on, man? Yeah, so respecting that 30 resistance, still pushing down here on Goldie. Had the previous hourly close. Doji hasn't grabbed any of these hourly highs for quite some time as well. So something to be wary of. How are you, bro? I'm good, thank you, man. Hope you're doing well. I'm good. First day back on the charts. So we're good, man. I'm good. Had a nice little long weekend, actually. Didn't trade Friday and didn't trade yesterday.
4 days in a row.
Yeah, man. And gold did actually have a pretty big breakout. Gold had a pretty big breakout, you see. Hope you're good, man. Harry, what's going on, man? What's going on? Yeah, gold ended up having a pretty solid move yesterday, actually. Very solid move.
Too late in New York.
Yeah. Pound, do you have a moment? Yeah, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Whilst we wait for Goldie. Let's have a look at the pound. See how the pound reacted to that news as well. Pound closed bullish. Big gap down on pound. Look at that. Big gap on pound futures. Push back up. How did the weekly close? Pretty strong. Hasn't really grabbed any weekly highs. Yeah, I think you can see pound pushing up on a higher time frame. All of these levels have been grabbed. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. They've all been grabbed. So I'd say pound liquidity levels for today. I'll be watching this upper level up here. And as soon as you come up into there, you're probably going to see this high spiked out pretty well. Oh, look at Goldie slamming down. Look at that. So let's go pound futures 30. What have you done? So you come up, you just grab previous highs. You got support here, and you've also just found some resistance here. So personally, I would wait for a breakout on pound in this range. I wouldn't trade it in this range. I'd wait for a nice breakout. Doesn't look the cleanest right now. 15. So 15. I mean, if you get a break to low, yeah, you could look for some shorts. You're gonna have, your next kind of barrier right there. So it's also depends if it's worth it. I don't know if it is. Closures below there, down into there, 70. Yeah, 70 is not really worth it. I personally would wait for a breakout of any of these ranges, man. If you break back to the upside, longs back up into these levels look nice. Breakout even down to here doesn't really look appetizing to me. I would only want to be seeing some breakouts of like somewhere up here.
What do you think about creating a bottom wick on the daily? Because the previous daily doesn't have a bottom wick yet.
Yeah, maybe. Let's have a look. On pound?
No, I'm talking about gold.
Oh, I do a sec, man. I'm just finishing off pound.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right, man. That's it. That's pretty much levels for pound. Yeah, I personally wouldn't get trapped in any of them. Personally, man. If you get a breakout, down here, strong closure, you may be able to see it push down, but it's gonna be pretty messy. Yeah, gold daily. You just grab previous daily highs, have a little push down. I mean, where's this? Yeah, around 1955 is probably going to be a pretty strong support level on gold, I think. I don't know how long lived this short will be. Where's 1955? It's still quite wet now. It probably won't come down that low. I mean, you got all these untested highs down here on gold, but I'd be very surprised if you come down all the way down to here in London. Around like 1868 on the futures chart. I'd be very surprised if you come that low today without grabbing these highs.
Depends on how many missiles I launch today.
Yeah, that's the thing, man. It can change at any point. That's the kind of crazy thing with gold right now.
One news and it's boom.
Yeah, literally, man. Yeah, literally. One piece of news and then anything can happen. It's just I'm gonna keep Forex live up here as well, just in case we see anything crazy come out.
Yeah, watching news too.
Good man, good man. I'm very, very surprised we didn't grab these highs. Let me just make sure. No, cool. Well, even though we didn't grab them highs, that's going to be a very nice level to watch at some point on gold. These liquidity highs up here and here, at any point, could easily get grabbed. Well, there you go. You're already flipping back bullish, so
Yeah.
I don't trust this downside move, to be honest. I think anyone who's maybe trying to jump in this continuation is probably getting squeezed out a bit here on gold. And I do think at any point it could keep pushing.
One thing I've noticed about gold is that if it starts moving in the opposite direction in the last 1 minute of the 5-minute candle, the move isn't true.
Yeah, I agree, man. That's how Goldie likes to mess around and catch people off.
Yeah. And that's why we wait for the close of the candle.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. So let's just see. What's this? So you got the 15. 15's just closed there. If you get more of a top weight, you could short it back down to the lows, because you're at least going to come and grab the previous 15-minute lows. So what would you have once you grab this little 5-minute high back down to there? That's actually a pretty worthwhile trade, actually.
Uh-oh.
Keep pushing down. Yeah, just going to keep pushing down the looks of it. If you'd grabbed them highs, you could have looked for a little scalp. But I think it's going to continue pushing down. It's too bearish at the minute. Interesting thing here, on the futures chart, these highs here did actually get grabbed, which is quite interesting. Got a little left shoulder head, little right shoulder.
Yeah.
I don't really base it off the futures, but it's quite interesting. So you go 50. So pound just closed straight through that level pretty aggressively, but then it's also come into that instant support there. This is why you can get a lot of noise in this level. A lot of noise. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. That's a lovely trade. Great trade. I mean, you still haven't grabbed the lows here, so I mean, if you can grab these highs, you have a potential short. Like I say, if gold is gonna, bounce back up into these regions, it's gonna at least come back down and re-grab that 50-minute low. It's never just gonna find support once and just push. It's gonna wick out the lows. So if you can come and grab these 5-minute highs that I was mentioning, that's a potential scalp area. Huge JPY dump. Let's have a look. What's it called? JPY. What's it called? Yeah, overall. This is, yeah, I mean, yeah, overall the yen index is pretty bearish overall. You come up, you grab some pretty significant highs. Kind of retracing a little bit. Yeah, I think you probably see it go lower. I think you see the index going lower. I can just look at it on the futures. Let's have a look on the futures. What is it? There you go. Japanese yen futures. Let's have a look. Let's see. Yeah, pretty similar. I'm a little push higher. Why does that look so shit? There you go. Yeah. Pretty weird move on the yen as well. Just kind of wait, seeing gold have a little interesting move. There you go. So you're re-grabbing them lows. Didn't get the entry. Didn't grab the highs. Still pushing down. As soon as you start finding some support on Goldie, you're gonna be coming in some pretty interesting levels. Mark, sir, what's going on, man? What's going on? Oh, you're only trading futures now, Aaron? Yeah, I only trade futures now, man. Yeah, I don't trade Forex at all. Yeah, I don't trade any Forex, man. I quit Forex. Fully a while ago. I've been, dabbling in futures now for like a year and a half or something. And then, yeah, recently decided to just completely move to futures.
I watched a few of your reels like a year back trading futures. Were you trading top step or personal at that time?
Personal, man. I traded. So I started back in maybe probably about a year and a half. Let me see. But I was kind of back and forth, and I was kind of trading more NAS as well. I wasn't really trading gold futures when I first started getting into futures. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, about a year and a half.
Yeah.
And then obviously made the leap into full-time futures. What, 4-5 months ago now, I think.
Great growth though. You started with 2 contracts, I guess.
Yeah, started with about 2, man. Yeah, which is still pretty good on gold actually. I don't.
Yeah.
Sorry, on NAS.
More than-
I don't really. I still would even if I did trade NAS now. I still personally wouldn't really trade more than like 5 on NAS.
Yeah.
Not long now. Counting down the weeks. Yeah, good shit, Mark. How long is it, man? Like what, 2-3 weeks till you go on the road? Mark going on the road, full time travel trading.
Where is he?
He's on the YouTube chat.
Oh.
Yeah. No bottom wick on this 5. So you're starting to see a nice little push up here. Fly out on the 6th of November. Yeah, very nice, man. Yeah, good man. Good man. Got what? Just under a month. Time to use 4 contracts. Come on, Goldie. You're going to find some support here. I'm kind of seeing how this 15 is going to close. If this 15 doesn't close below previous low, you may start to retrace. It may start to retrace. Are YouTube up for a trade? Yeah, that's a good question, man. Let's Let's ask. Let's ask the question. Let's ask the question, man. So if you guys on YouTube who are about to start the poll, Harry has initiated the poll, so we're about to start. This is where you guys call the trades, and that is the trades that we take. So these aren't my trades. These are the trades that if you guys call the markets well and we pass this Top Step 50k account, I'll be giving away 2 months free access to Top Step. I might have this one, yeah. This is all on Harry. Let's see. Let's see. You guys don't have to take a trade yet. If you want to wait for more price action, you can. There's only about like maybe 2 trades left on this account, I think. I think last week there was like 2 losses in a row. Oh, it's getting pretty even. Oh, we got 1 more minute. This five's gonna close here on Goldie. How do we got 1 more minute? So if you guys on YouTube, will, if you didn't join us last week when we did this or the week before, this is where I put up the poll, and this is the trade that we guys take. I take based off your guys' calls. So you guys got to work together and help each other pass this, because if you guys pass this, I'll be giving away the free access to one of you guys. Currently the challenge is down like 1,000. Like I said, last week there was I think 2 losses in a row, but it can be recovered at any point. So how long we got?
USD free reset that was given yesterday.
Oh yeah, did anyone catch that?
Yeah, actually I was not in the drawdown, so I didn't use it.
Ah, good man. Was it pretty easy to spot when it came up? Did they just post it?
Yeah, they just posted on the live. Like you have yesterday's time limit was 6 minutes, but there was an issue regarding the website, so they extended up to an hour. So it's
Nice.
pretty easy. Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Yeah, good man. Yeah, I didn't see that. All right, 17% of people have said let's wait for more price action, so we'll wait a little bit more. Used it one of my guys. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, maybe I'll do that for you guys on YouTube if I can get the code. Oh, does that make it unfair? I don't know. Maybe that makes it unfair. Nah, this doesn't make it unfair. If I find one of the YouTube codes for you guys on YouTube, I'll let you guys reset this account if you want to, because it's minus. I mean, it's only minus 1,000, which is easily recoverable. But
Yeah,
no little free reset doesn't hurt though. If it's there, use it. Why not? Alright. 69% of people said no, let's wait for more price action. Alright, we'll wait. We'll wait 1 more 5-minute candle, and then I'll ask you guys again. 30 minutes looking pretty bearish here, but I personally think this could turn around at any point. I think this could start to retrace quite soon. Haven't really grabbed any previous 5-minute highs here either. Came down, you closed, 5-minute close with no bottom wick, instant push back higher. Look at that, 5-minute there, closed with no bottom wick. Boom, 10 pips. 10 pepperonis. Let's have a look, see how pound's moving. Trapped, yeah, see, look at that. Pound getting trapped at them levels. It's pretty messy. Goldie though, on this 15 close like this in 3 minutes, we've got potential morning star here, which could be nice. You know, from what, down here back up into here is like 50 ticks, which is pretty huge. Pretty huge. Yeah, I think I'm going on that Top Step TV in like 2 weeks, I think. So you guys have to tune into that one. Yeah, man, about 2 weeks I think we're locking in.
Live signals.
Yeah, yeah. I haven't actually said yet, but yeah, I think it's going to be in about 2 weeks. I think hopefully the 27th. It's when I'm in Bali, so the times are a bit better.
How does it work? Like you give on-screen analysis or what?
Yeah, I think it's just you just go on and kind of talk more about your journey. They want me to talk more about why I switched from forex to futures.
Yeah.
And then maybe give a little bit analysis on gold or whatever I trade, which will be gold. But yeah, I think it's more so just a half an hour slot, talk about your story, your journey, and
Wow.
chat to the other guys, which is pretty cool. Awesome, man. Thank you, guys. Yeah, it'd be good, man. It'd be good.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, it'd just be cool to jump on with them guys who have like been like, pretty big traders in the industry. It'd be like ex-floor traders. It'd be pretty cool just to be able to go on a call with them. I think so.
You earned it, man.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna do it when I'm in Bali, because if I do it in Australia, it's at like fucking 3 a.m. So I'm not really gonna be very awake at like 3 a.m. So I said I'll do it when I'm in Bali. Yeah, Bali's what, 2 hours behind? Yeah. Ooh, if this 15 closes below this this body here, you may see gold continue pushing down. So if we get closure below the wick of this 15, you see gold continue pushing down. If you get a nice top wick on the 30, that could be a potential short back down into here now, I think. Just keep following this momentum. You grabbed this previous 5-minute high. Didn't grab this one, but it doesn't matter. You grabbed this 5-minute high. Let's see if we're going to close below here.
20 ticks stops.
Yeah, it has to close. If it has to close below this low in order for me to go short. If it doesn't close below this low, you may, either range or start to pull back. So close below this low or not is going to be very key. You never know. 30 previous low may get grabbed. You're going to get. I think you're going to get a pretty strong close here actually on this 30.
20 seconds.
Let's see if we can hit instant top wicker Rooney. Then what do you have back down? Yeah, you can catch 10-15 ticks pretty easily here. The range is quite nice actually. Alright, how's this going to open? Let me get this up. So you did actually close below previous 15 there. No top wick in this fucking futures chart. If we can get a top wick on this 30, you could look for shorts back up down to these highs now, because you've broken all of this structure. So you may see this retrace later on, but for London, it's looking like you're going to continue pushing down. Potential false move of the day, I think. If you get more of a top wick on this 30, we could look for a short. Oh, go on. Give me a little bit more of a top wick here, Goldie. What the fuck? Yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty volatile week this week on gold in the markets in general. What we got tomorrow? I think you got PPI tomorrow. Yeah, PPI tomorrow. FOMC meeting minutes on Thursday. CPI on Thursday. So yeah, it's a pretty crazy week this week on Goldie. A very crazy week. I haven't taken a trade since like last Thursday, maybe Thursday or Wednesday. I don't even know if I took a trade on Thursday. I don't think I did.
Not sure how it goes here, but in stocks it seems there's quite uncertainty with Israel and what's going on over there at the moment.
Yeah, it's such big news, man. The markets don't really know how to react to it just yet.
Yeah.
That's what
just
it
trying
seems.
to settle and sort out.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, that's why gold usually goes so bullish, because it's usually like where everyone puts their money if they don't know where to put it. Like gold's always that safe haven. If we don't know what the hell's going on, stick it in gold. It's always going to be pretty safe. So
Kind of like bonds.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, why you've seen them push up so much. Let's have a look at the bonds actually.
If you don't mind, explain, because hasn't it gone up like about $30 odd since last week?
Yeah.
Oh,
Gold. So where did we? So on Friday, we closed at like 1830, and then we instantly pushed up like almost into like what? 1860, which is huge, absolutely huge.
yeah. Interesting.
To go from here all the way up into like 300 ticks. Yeah, absolutely huge. 33 points. Yeah, it's huge. Let's have a look at the let me see. Yeah, the bonds had a big bounce on Monday, big support. Look at euro dollar here. Oh, look at that, lovely. When was that? Back in September. Look at that. That was a very nice liquidity play. Huge. Let's get rid of some of these. Get rid of these.
I'd flip.
Yeah, it's looking like it. Let's just come and grab the lows. So you just grabbed 30-minute lows there as well.
Yeah, see how it flipped in the last 1 minute.
Yeah, always the wave, man. Hey bro, how are you? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Recap on what you discussed till now. You can just scroll back, man. It's not really fair on everyone else if I have to go back over everything. But we're just seeing how gold's going to react around this support after grabbing these 30 lows before a push back up. Pretty much, man. Nothing just yet. Just kind of seeing how we're reacting at these lows. Let's just grab previous 30 lows. If you can start to flip back bullish, then you could see a potential retracement. That was a nice little play on euro. Came up, grabbed highs, pushed lower. Came up, grabbed the highs, pushed the lower. Short gold. Is that a signal? I see a signal. Sounds like financial advice to me. Alright, let's ask you guys on YouTube. Let's start the poll again. Let's start the poll. There you go. Let's ask it. It's only bearish, short gold. Alright. If you say so. Alright, there you go. Ask the poll. You guys on YouTube, see if you guys are ready to take a trade.
I think Mark's voting too.
Yeah, man. You better. I booked 55 ticks on gold. Good man. Very nice. 55 ticks is great. Break alert instant top wick. Could be a half risk. Yeah, I think so. Well, this 30's come back down, regrab previous 30-minute lows. You can start to see this retrace at any point. All these liquidity highs are going to get sniped today, and you're going to see us continue pushing higher. I'm trying to see if we can actually find some solid support. I need a little bit more structure than this to potentially scalp this back up. You know, it's actually going to be a pretty nice play. So you guys on YouTube got 2 minutes to decide if you are ready to call a position on the next 5-minute candle. Well, probably be the one after actually by the time we do the next poll. If you want to wait for more price action, you can. Remember, you guys on YouTube are working together on this to pass it. See if you guys can smash it. So you just got a little top wick there. But is Top Step legit, and is it difficult to complete? Yeah, it's 100% legit. It's one of the rare legit prop firms. Top Step have been around for like 10 plus years. But hard to pass the steps is depending on your style. For me, no, it's not very hard to pass. To pass the steps on Top Step, it's like what, 90 ticks or something. But yeah, they are very, very legit. One of the only legit ones out there that aren't there to screw you and take all your money. There's other futures prop firms as well, but from what I've seen, I haven't seen any that come close to offering what Top Step do. How's the Russell moved? Big gap down on Russell, push back high yesterday, pretty solid move. Very, very solid move. When was that? When was the market open yesterday? 2:30 market open, pullback, push, yeah. Huge push. So let's see here. We tried to pull back up, but it's not looking like it's ready just yet. It's looking pretty choppy here. Kind of starting to find. This is what I say. We need to start creating more structure. You're kind of creating some more structure now, which is kind of what you need. How much money do you make with futures though? Since I've heard you can make lots with futures. All depends on what you trade, to be honest, man. Like if you trade, say if you're looking at this move, you catch this move down on gold, 46 ticks, 10 contracts, it's like $4,500. So it all depends on your position sizing, what instruments you're trading. For me, I'm only trading gold futures, 10 contracts on average. Sometimes 5, for the most part, it's always around 10. But it always depends on what you're trading. Like if you trade something like NAS, you're obviously going to be trading a lot less contracts. But for me on gold, scalping 15, 20, 30 ticks is all I really go for. Look at this, Goldie's still pushing bearish. 50-50 on the poll. For you guys aren't ready to take a trade yet, which is fine. Would you review a lamp that I launched? You can send it to me on Instagram, man. I'll check it out. I'll have a look. Look at this Goldie still pushing. Pushing. Gotta just let gold do its thing for now. I don't really see any clean setups just yet, unfortunately, on Goldie. If you've got breaks above here, you could be buying up into that liquidity, but no break above, no closure below. Just keep pushing.
Would it be heading down to hit that low on the left-hand side before it went up?
Yeah, it's looking like it, man. It's looking like it. Yeah, potential bounces from here. I would have liked to have shorted down into that, but it doesn't really give me an entry. 1853, nice bounce. Oh, a nice buy, sorry. 1953. Yeah, possibly. It'd be a nice level. I don't think it'll be a simple bounce, but it'll be a nice level to watch out for. Yeah, I mean, all of these highs here on the futures chart is going to be a pretty big level. Yeah. Looking to start trading living views on too. Nice, man. Any suggested paper trading platforms? Yeah, I'd use Tradeovate. It's probably the simplest futures platform to get used to, man. And then yeah, you can even trade it straight on here on TradingView like this, where I've got it here. You know, if you want to trade straight from here, you can, you know, putting your buy and sell orders right on TradingView, so you can literally just do it all through there if you really wanted. It's probably going to be the easiest one, man. So that's Tradeovate. And then when you're ready, go for some funding. Give Top Step a go. Save your own capital, but gain that consistency first. Get that consistency, man. Got no top wick on this 5 either. But there's no, for me, there's no shorts just yet on Goldie. It has to keep pushing, either retrace or it's just going to keep pushing for him. Samson? Sammy? Hi, buddy. Was that? Did you see him there, or did they send you that? I was going to say I'd be gutted.
There was a couple of other photos as well. But none of them were super.
Have you got them?
No, they weren't very, like, they were just like his tail and stuff. Also, are you on stream?
Yes, no, it's not muted either.
So,
Tell me special. Yeah, I'll give you
it's not bad. It's
I know.
I thought you were quiet. What are you doing?
This is potato. How much approximately can you make with $500 in futures? Zero, man, nothing. You're going to make any money with $500 in futures. You're not going to have enough margin to even trade like one micro. I would never even trade less than like $5,000. If you've only got like $500 to trade with, just focus on gaining more capital through Top Step. Personally, that's how I would do it. I would never ever trade less than with $5,000. Like I say, the margin is literally going to give you. The margin is probably going to give you enough to maybe open one micro on gold. But if you're trading one micro, you're going to make absolutely nothing. $500, join FW8. Yeah, you heard it here. That's from Ron. We're in the Zoom chat. Join the community. Ron said it, not me. Micros, minimum is 250 for gold. You can place, yeah, $1 trades. Yeah, exactly. So it's literally, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it, like I say. If you trade like what, one micro, and this little push down is going to be like what, $3 maybe? $3, is that what it would be? $3 or $30? Maybe $30.
I'm doing paper trading at the moment on TradingView just till I get a lot more up with it. And I've got a client paying one of their things at the end of the month, and I thought, okay, November, I'll pop $5,000 in, and
yeah.
But I'll still do paper probably for another couple of months. Just
Yeah, definitely, man. Get confident. Get used to it. There's no rush.
Oh, absolutely. Plus, all of these sessions is where I'm picking up information from what everyone is saying.
Good man.
That's why I don't talk much. I'm listening.
No, it's good, man. It's good. You learn a lot more in these streams than you do from any other, course or anything like that. Much more value just watching these streams, breaking it all down live. Absolutely.
100%.
If, for example, you put 10,000 in on gold futures is a winning trade, how much can you expect to make? I have no idea what that means. But if you're trading on Top Step, if you're trading a 100k account, you can trade a max of 10 contracts. I would say don't trade 10 contracts until you've earned to be able to trade 10 contracts. But even just trade one contract on gold, you can actually, like a little short like this, just from here to here is like $300 in that little tiny move to trade one contract, and you can trade up to 10. So if you trade 10 contracts, then it's going to be 3,000. But like I say, I don't recommend trading 10 contracts. You have to earn to deserve to be able to trade 10 contracts. But yeah, that's the way I would do it. If you only have $500 traded, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But don't put it into account because you will very likely lose it. Well, on futures, you're going to be very restricted anyway. And whenever you're restricted, you end up doing stupid shit, like holding on to trades for too long. And the chances are you will probably lose it. So personally, I'd spend that $500 on education and funding. And you build your personal capital a lot quicker. You know, on Top Step you can be trading with up to like 450,000. So when you look at it like that, it's like, why would I even spend my money not working towards that? And then, you know, from that, then you can build your own personal capital. Get a few payouts.
I have a question for you.
Yeah, man.
Like, did you feel any difference using 10 contracts on the Top Step and on the personal?
Oh yeah, definitely, man, for sure. Way more. Yeah, way more. I have to like, you know, because on Top Step, I mean, like any funding firm, you kind of treat it as like, it's basically like paper money. So you can take more risks. You can afford to, you know, take maybe risky entries. But when it comes to, well, there's pros and cons. Like, you know, with personal, you know, I can maybe hold through a little bit more drawdown of like more than 30 ticks, you know, scale in and out. So from that sense, it's good. But yeah, getting used to jumping into straight 10 personal, yeah, very, very different, man. Very different.
Yeah, psychology wise.
Yeah, psychology wise, that's it, man. Nothing else technically, just pure psychology.
Is it fair to say that the contracts would be kind of like leverage in that if you've got 10 contracts, then if you lose, you've lost 10 times?
Yeah, kind of. It depends on like, you know, like account size and like risk percent as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like I still always try and stick to like you know 1 to 3% risk.
Yeah. Makes sense.
I try not to go more than that.
Would you be using the same contract size if you were trading New York? But the pre-New York?
Honestly, depends on what the ranges are like, to be honest, man. Or I would maybe like if you need to have like a bigger stop loss, then maybe just go in 5 and then enter in another 5 as it, like, you know, say it pushes down and then flips back bullish, enter in like another 5. So you kind of, the good thing about futures is if you enter in like, you know, 5 contracts here and then like 5 contracts down there, it will automatically, you know, show your average entry of like there, so you can kind of see it a lot better. So if you need a bigger stop loss, yeah, I would start off with 5. If it goes into a little bit of drawdown, but then, you know, reflips back bullish in your favor, you know, just enter in your next 5. Sometimes in New York, you know, it's very hard to get in with a stop loss less than like, you know, 20 pips.
Yeah, because the candle sizes are usually around 20 to 30 ticks.
Yeah,
compared to 8 to 15 ticks in London.
Yeah, 100%, man. Like sometimes even like New York ranges, you know, where was the New York range yesterday from like, you know, here to here is like 60. So it's way bigger.
We get a much higher reward, but the risk is higher too. So
yeah, definitely. And you can always sometimes do it as like, you know, doing like stop loss based off closures as well. So like if sometimes you need to get in a trade and the trade requires you to have like a hard stop of like 30 ticks, say you got short from here and hard stops up here, you know, as soon as it flips bullish, then, you know, we're already managing how we do and cutting it way before that.
Yeah, that's not the issue. Like managing aggressively is one thing, but like placing hard stops is something I consider in New York too. Suppose if the price flips like aggressively against my trade position, so it would be difficult to manage.
Yeah, definitely, man. And you always have to be thinking of that like worst case scenario. Definitely, it's the smartest way to do it. So yeah, you probably want to reduce it a little bit, I would say, man.
Yeah, that's what.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good morning.
Can't see me.
No, I can't see you.
I am here.
Oh, I can see your shadow.
Yeah. The Batman back.
Or is it you?
Yeah. On my top stack account, it's all like gappy.
On
Gaps everywhere.
on Tradeovate?
Yeah.
Are you on the wrong? Let me have a look. Let me get up here.
Yeah, maybe I'm on the GCG4 for gold.
Oh yeah, no, you need to be on. That's like 2024.
Oh, why is it on?
Yeah, that's weird that it's changed it. Yeah, no, I should change it for you. Yeah, it should just be on the same as what you were using.
Yeah. What's that? G. Okay, I should put gold and see what comes in.
Come on, gold. It's not
You got GCB3.
Z.
I got that too.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Should be normal.
Oh, that's much better.
Yeah, that's weird that it changed it though.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it did it. Oh no, maybe it rolled forward. I don't know. Probably going into 24. Yeah.
That is much better.
Did you take any trades yesterday, man?
No. No. I didn't jump on the charts really. I went a little bit in one and I was like, oh my god, get off.
Yeah, and ended up having some nice moves though. I didn't trade it either though.
Did it?
Yeah, gold ended up having some nice moves yesterday. Yeah.
Shut the front door.
Had like a 300 pip move or something.
On US.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, some pretty big moves.
You. Yeah. Oh, that was lovely. I was too busy losing golf balls on the course. At that time.
How often can you get paid / release funds? Liam, you can get paid on a weekly basis, man. If you want to withdraw weekly, you can get paid weekly. I know some other firms are monthly, but on Top Step it's weekly if you want to, man.
Like, is it necessary to have 5 winning days every time you want to withdraw?
It depends how big they are, really. Like if you get a pretty solid big day, like the rest to make up like 250 a day is pretty easy.
Yeah.
If you wanted to make 5k with one trade, what is a realistic contract? Depends on if you're day trading, swing trading, or scalping. If you're scalping, to make 5,000, you need to catch like 50 ticks or 10 contracts. So you have to be buying here and covering up here with 10 contracts, be 5,000 right there. Obviously, if you're trading one contract, then you need to make like 500 ticks, which is unlikely. But also depends on what you're trading. This is just me talking about gold futures. Nasdaq's a whole different ballgame. Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, they're all completely different.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, no worries, Liam, no worries. As a beginner, how much can I expect making weekly? Depends. If you're not consistent, 0. Funding won't help that. Like I said, I didn't make any money in trading for the first 2 years. None. 0. 0, 0, 0. More, not even 0. Minus. Gold took all my money.
Yes.
But if you expect to make something, you're not going to make anything. Never expect to make something. Remember, the markets don't owe you anything.
No.
Markets owe you 0. You never expect to show up on a certain day and expect to make something. Today I could make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Today I could lose 2,000, 3,000. Today I could make 0.
Probably with losing.
Yeah, it might be time to be able to give the markets back some of these profits we've been making recently. Yeah.
In a level gold 1865 on the futures, 1853 on currency.
Yeah.
20 ticks down to there.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm just gonna wait for this. Just wait for this hourly. How's it hourly looking? Oh, the fuck is that? No idea. Hourly. Yeah, pretty bearish. Yeah, probably continue pushing down. Yeah, see if we're gonna get, if we get a pretty nice top wick here on this next hourly. Yeah, I think you continue selling gold. I would like to actually finally get an entry here, to be honest. Yeah, I was looking for longs up into these highs before this little 5-minute drop.
Yeah. That would be nice.
But just kind of kept pushing low. But these are all going to be nice today. I'll go to this one now.
Would be nice.
So you could probably have the gold like level, probably like probably like that. Why is the Nasdaq and S&P so different to gold futures? I made a video on that on like if you go on the channel, I made a video on futures contract sizing. Because if you're trading futures, if you trade one contract on gold and one contract on Nasdaq and one contract on ES, the figures are going to be very, very different. Because they all move in different different point moves. But I did a whole video on it, so you go check it out. I kind of broke it all down. So we can see, so the hourly is closing very, very bearish here. So at any point, if you can see this pull back, yeah, I think you're going to see this continue to push lower. Nice trend line on the 30. So there you got that hourly close on Goldie. Very, very bearish. So if you see this pull back up a little bit, you could see shorts back down to like about like 1967, I think. But it needs to pull back.
We grab the previous buy.
Yeah, I'd love to see it come and grab like this 15. Would be lovely. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think that'd be nice. How you doing, by the way? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. We're chilling. Hope you're doing well as well, man. See if we get any plays today.
Be nice.
Kind of getting this top wick now, which is good. So at any point, if you could flip bearish, you could have a nice 30 tick move. So if we look at all the hourly, yeah. So hourly break of these lows, we're going to see gold continue to push lower. 15, I think 15 is going to spike up a little bit more here. 15 come and grab this little double top we're creating.
Yeah.
Break the hourly lows and we could see us push down. It's not going to be a 5-minute trade, it's going to be a 15 and 30 trade. That's the 4 outlook on Goldie. Ooh, big level, big level. Yeah, so here on gold. You could look for a sell order here on gold as this once this 30 starts to flip bearish. Actually, the futures chart here grabbed these highs, which was actually a pretty nice sell on the futures chart. The futures was nicer than the currency today because it came up, grabbed the highs. 30 closed back bearish, top wick, respected the previous evening star, big dip. Shame the currency didn't grab it. Quite surprising the currency didn't grab it. So I still think they'll get grabbed.
Oh, there we go.
So yeah, potential sells if this 30 can flip back bearish. And break even point would be at the low for 12, and you want to hold it down for like 30. Just grab previous 15-minute highs here.
Nice.
So you could be looking to short the 15 flipperoonie. So where's the 15 low? 15 low, continue pushing down into here. Got potential. Stop loss will be wherever this 15 high is going to flip from. Could be creating a little evening star here as well.
Go on, Goldie.
Goldie. Oh, let's put it in. It's also going to be that low there is also going to be the flip of the hourly. So this could be a lovely hourly top wick to reflip back bearish at any point and continue pushing down. This is looking quite nice to me. Stop loss will probably just go above this. If it flips like from here, stop will just go above that 30 high. Break even point would be this 30 low as well.
Yeah.
So where's that on the futures chart? Let me just see. So where's it around? It's around, yeah, 1869? Yeah,
1869.7.
1869.7. Yeah, 1869.7. What is that on here? Full margin, 100 contracts. 69.7, yeah, nice. I haven't put it in just yet. I may look to market execute it. Oh, it's going to flip pretty soon. I'm not in this just yet. If it flips from, I'd be surprised if it flips from here, but it might. I think the 15 will still give a top wick. So that's the 30 already flipping bearish straight from there. Had the previous
Last five close was pretty bullish.
Yeah, not yet. Hold the horses.
Yeah.
Let's all chill for a second.
You will hold them.
Hold them horses for a second. Because even if this 15 closes like this, then you want to see that, and then you want to be like, boom.
Yeah, we could still execute after this 5 closes bearish.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. He would have got tagged in there. Straight into drawdown.
Yeah, full loss. Well takes.
Does it affect your trade if you sell and buy on the 1 minute versus the 5 minute and 30? No, well, so I use the 5 minute up here purely for execution, but my analysis is based off this 30 and 15 chart. You can trade the 1 minute as well. Nothing wrong with trading the 1 minute. I personally don't trade the 1 minute. But yeah, the five minute here is not for analysis, purely for execution. Same as if you trade the 1 minute. The 1 minute I think should just be used for like entries based off what the 30 and 15 are doing. Oh, look at this 5. Is it going to break above?
Yeah, buys looking.
Just re-grabbed previous 5 minute lows. If it closes above here, you may actually just keep pushing higher. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. Run sweat it. So I think this trade's probably going to be off the 15.
Yeah.
Once that 15 can flip back bearish. Continuation of the hourly. Yeah, it could send a pretty nice play. And stop loss would be like, you know, somewhere around here. Unless this 15 just closes above. And we'll see if this 15 closes bullish, we will have to wait. You may grab there. Possible. I think that's around like 50% of that like hourly push down as well. Yeah, almost. So much something like this. CS 5's gonna close here. 5 just closed bullish, didn't close above previous 5, which is fine. I'll wait for this 5 here. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. Wait for this 5. Come on, Goldie. Give us this flip already. Where's where's that 30 low on this? So you'd have the sell around here. See if Goldie's going to play ball today and give us this continuation back down. Got 1 more minute to this 15 is going to close. This 15 closes like this, you can even potentially get in on the next 15 top wick actually. So I want to see this 15 close like somewhere like down here, much lower than this, and then we want a next top wick on the next 15, and we can short from here, stops above here, looking for this to continue pushing down. I want to see this 15 close a little bit with a bigger wick than this. This is a bit too bullish just yet. A little bit too bullish just yet. Oh, 40 seconds here on Goldie. Come on, give us a nice strong five close here. Yeah, look at that. So I said pound not to trade in these ranges, and look how shit this is. I wouldn't even go anywhere near the 5 minute, but look how terrible that is. 6 seconds here on this 15 on Goldie. Not bad little top wig. Where would that be? It's too tight. It's not a bad 15 minute close, not the best. It's just not a whole lot of fucking volume. Let me see. So if you were to short the 15 low around 70.3, you're 20 ticks into the lows, which isn't bad. Let's see, if it re-breaks that high, then shorts are invalid.
That's one nice level, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, man. I don't think you're going to get a nice fill here either. Let me see. I'm not in this yet.
It's interesting. I have a volume behavior indicator that turns the candles into different colors based on the volume in the previous candle.
Yeah, nice.
And most of them in the last hour have actually been bearish.
Really, yeah, that's interesting, man. Yeah, it's been pretty.
But it's very low
tight
volume.
here. Yeah, very. Hey, what's this just pushed? It's only 5 ticks, yeah. If it drops from here, fuck, I don't care. Yeah, it may drop from here. Did anyone take that? Anyone get in on that? If you did, you probably would go break even already.
I was waiting for it, the body to close below those candles, but it's just dropped it.
Mm.
There.
Yeah, there you go. There's push, yeah. 30, flip of the low. There you go.
I just got that in paper money.
Good man. Good man. Paper money still good man. Yeah, I should have taken
I
that.
was waiting for a closure.
So you wouldn't be what? What was this?
This is right.
7 pips. There you go. Yeah.
If
Wait for
I
too
got
much.
that and lost, I wouldn't have been happy with myself.
I think it's a pretty easy short. 15 3-pin pattern there. 5-minute grab the highest top wick, re-break the lows. Flip of the 30.
I was thinking that maybe it would have grabbed this 30 high.
Yeah. Yeah, I should have taken that. Why didn't you take it? I just didn't like the volume before, but I should have taken it, to be honest. I was considering putting a sell stop in the low, but yeah, I should take it as a very very, very valid trade.
Would have been trade of the day. Done.
Yeah, done. Yeah, look at that. There you go.
15 ticks. Easy.
17. Yeah. You'd already want to be break even there, because that's the top wick on the hourly. Hourly's reflipping bearish as well. So every single time frame's flipping bearish now. So you got on the first bearish flip of the 5, continuing that 30 in hourly.
What a push.
So every single time frame has continued pushing down. So that line there was the flip of the candle. So even if you just take the flip there, don't worry about the 5. You're already in like 14 in 5 minutes. Pretty simple. 15 tick, 18 tick push right there. If anyone did take it though, good job. It was a very, very valid trade. The 15 is probably the cleanest here. You have the high, you wick out the high, close below the low, retest that high, there's your trade. Right there. Stop loss is 4 ticks. Look at that, what a push. Minimum time you need to stay in a trade? No, none at all, no. You can be in and out in 1 minute if you really want.
Yeah, look at this flipping.
Tindercheck.com, what the fuck is this? Yeah, so I wouldn't have taken any profit there. So let's see how I would have gone. So my TP would be at least at this double bottom now. You're probably going to get a pretty nice wick fill here. So 30 did actually grab previous 30 lows there on the futures chart, not on the currency chart. I mean, what do you have on the break of this current low for the wick fill? 10 ticks is alright, it's not bad. I may get on the break of this 5 low now for a potential wick fill here. What would the entry be? Entry would be 1969.6. No, because the fill's not going to be great. 1969.5, I'd say. If we start to reject here, yeah, I'm going to have a sell on this current 5 for a wick fill play here. There you go. You would have been stopped at break even that position anyway. Personally, I wouldn't have taken any profit there. Hit 18 ticks, but without grabbing them lows, I personally would have taken profit there, so you would have been break even there anyway. Doesn't mean I still shouldn't have taken that trade though. I still should have taken that sell. So I wonder if it may have got grabbed on a different. Why are these straight? May have got grabbed on a different currency chart. I have to check. But if you don't grab that low, that's going to be a liquidity low there. So let me go here.
It did on the futures.
Yeah, it did on the futures, which is interesting. That's the second time it's done that today. So where have I just put that? USD. Let me just see it didn't on a different currency chart. No, cool. Yeah, if we start to reject here, then I'm going to have a sell on this current 5 for this to continue pushing down into that double bottom. I know you got to that 15 close and that's 7 minutes. Yeah, plenty of time to fill that. Let me see. The sell would be here. Stops would be wherever this candle would flip from. Seeing if this can have a continuation back down. Unless this 5 closes bullish. Currency chart is about to grab previous 5-minute highs as well. Look at that. Look at that on the Futures and currency are looking completely opposites by now. Usually you expect the currency chart to look how the futures one's looking, which is interesting.
Yeah.
You probably want to get in before that.
There's like a... Oh, not now. Don't worry. Come.
I think it's been long since you took a trade on a stream.
Yeah, it's been a while, man. Doesn't
It's
remember.
also been a long time since he's last on stream.
Yeah, I'm not really. I did the signal months. Signal months are gone forever. Let's see. But yeah, it's been a while since we took a trade on stream. Mainly because trading personal now requires much more focus, and I don't like giving signals. But so you still this 5 minute can still have a push here. Yeah, I agree, man. Only got 55 seconds if this 5 can flip bearish here on Goldie. Alright, just grab previous 5 minute highs there on the currency chart, which is nice. Yeah, I'm going to put in this sell stop here just in case it flips. It might not, but just in case. Because you've just grabbed previous 5 minute highs. If it doesn't flip here, I'll probably wait for 15. Come on, Goldie. Give us some volume, man. If we zoom out for a second here. Goldie is doing absolutely nout. Alright, yeah, cancel. I'm waiting.
I'm not convinced of a bullish run though.
Nah, me neither, man. I think you're going to grab these lows one more time.
Yeah, I think what's the old secret sauce saying?
Yeah.
When you load it up, the game changer sauce.
3 break from here.
68.
Let's see.
Yeah, there's a lot of energy at 1868 still.
1868. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. I mean, hourly, so yeah, I mean the 30 is about to, what? I mean, you've got 4 minutes at that, he's going to close. If you re-break that previous 5 low, you may actually see a drive. And like I said, I do think you're going to fill in this wick here. For the simple fact that the currency chart didn't actually grab them lows. Let's see, you're going to push. So what do you want? You'd want stops off that candle reflips back bullish. Because if the 30 doesn't actually close bearish here, then you possibly could see them highs grabbed, but react off what you're seeing first. Don't trade off what you think. React off what the 5 minutes are doing first. 5 and 15. Buy or sell? Sells into this 15-minute wick to continue pushing down if you get the volume. I want to see if this 5 minutes actually gonna break below here and get the drive. This is the last 5 of the 15 and 30. So this 5's pretty important. But there's just not a lot of, like, I'm so zoomed in on this 5 minutes. Like, if we go on this 5 for a second and look at nothing. Sorry, look at what we're doing. We're in a very, 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 very small range. From these highs to these lows. So if you want to play that range, from the highs to the lows is 25 ticks. So short the resistance by the support and see which one breaks out. So you can pretty much do right now. So if we bring this, let me bring this down a little bit. Move this out of the way. Need some volume in this Goldie. But yeah, gold now has liquidity on this low and these highs. I think because you're so close to this low now, it's pretty likely that you're going to see London grab these lows more. And then before you know, US could come in and grab all of these highs. Grab all of this noise. Hold on, if you've got 1 more minute, so 30's going to close. Oh, this is bookmark people emailing me.
Hey.
So I'm trying to get them to help me to set it up, man. Did you have a chance to
I hope Ninja get back to me. Can you ask on YouTube? Has anyone else come across this issue, please?
Yeah, YouTube fam. Does anyone here use Ninja on personal futures from the UK? I don't think so, but maybe. I'm surprised you can't Google it, see if anyone's ever had it before.
Okay. But it's global, they said, so...
Yeah, they are, yeah.
If the issue is global, they can't have any more sign-ups. In my...
Oh, they're saying the issue is global?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is weird, yeah. That wasn't the issue I had when I signed up either. Mine worked from that end.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine took so long because I had trading in my name. They were like, what the hell's going on here?
Yeah. There's widespread error for inputting national IDs for international users.
Yeah, it's strange, man.
Fucking
I mean, you could try. Now, say you could try Top Step, but you don't want to because when you have the Ninja web app, it means you can have Top Step and Ninja open on like 2 tabs, so you could have like 2 running.
yeah.
Shooting this could be sleep over. Yeah. Likewise, Angel. Shoot it over.
What code?
Potential 3 from Patent Lab. Top Step are giving away free reset codes on their YouTube.
Aye.
I think they gave away one yesterday. I think someone got it yesterday.
Or one.
Yeah, 1 code, but I mean, like, loads of people can use it.
Shut the front door.
Yeah. I think they're doing it. I think they're doing it every day or something. I think they said.
Fucking hell.
Sorry, I've been called away. I'll catch you all tomorrow.
All good, man. Enjoy. See you next time, mate.
Cheers.
See you, man.
Bye. I just have to watch the...
Every day this week, yeah.
I could have done that when I was in Big Drawdown.
You could have, yeah.
Fuck me. I don't need it now.
Why are you looking for sells? Because the hourly's overall bearish. Hourly's closed very bearish, and you have a lot of untested resistance down here. And you didn't really grab these lows, so this low here is a liquidity low to grab before potentially pushing up. But just continuation,
Really?
yeah. That's made time during. Yeah, if anyone sees it, yeah, shoot it in Discord, yeah. They
They
extended to
can
1
announce them at any time during... I didn't realise they went live on YouTube.
Yeah. Every single day, I think. Every single day, I think they're doing.
What do they do?
Break down the charts. I think take some trades live, and they're interviewing other traders as well. I'm going on it in like 2 weeks, I think.
If.
Yeah. Took a trade live. Yeah, nice. Yeah, take some trades live. It's pretty cool. On oil, nice. Very nice. Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, it's cool. And they're the dudes that are like ex-floor traders, so it's pretty insightful.
I didn't know they did that. It'd be good to jump on.
Yeah, give it a
See
watch.
what they say.
Top Step TV.
Alright, I'll watch it today, Angel, and if I get anything, I'll put it into the community.
Good man. How do we join the Zoom as? It's just in Discord, man. If you're in Discord, you'll have it. You have the link.
But if you're not in the Discord, you don't have it.
Look at this 15 on gold. I think gold needs to retrace more. I think it's going to do anything anytime soon. I think you're probably going to see these highest grabs on Goldie. Lots of people during our sleep time. Yeah, it's up pretty late. Yeah, definitely watch the Aaron Trades episode. Yeah, good man.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, very. Yeah.
I'll watch it with you, Ron, and we'll just spam the live chat. You see those two kids? Remove them from the Zoom.
Can I ask if your trading is now your main source of revenue? Wait, what, if trading is now your main source of revenue, or more like affiliations and courses? Affiliations and courses comes nowhere near. Not even 20% of it, man. I was trading full time for 2 years before I even opened up a trading community, man. Yeah, unlike these other furus, absolutely nowhere near. Trading community doesn't even come close. Affiliations are like a fraction, like 5% maybe. Absolutely nothing. I have like what, 8,000 subscribers. It comes nowhere near, man. Absolutely nowhere near. I posted monthly profits on Instagram. What, a week, 2 weeks ago, or something?
Bada boom, bada bing.
Thank you, man, for your honesty. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, you need honesty in this industry. Come in then. Go away. It's absolutely roasting it. How to start all history data on the chart on NinjaTrader. I'm getting data from the 5th of October. And not before. Oh, well, on NinjaTrader, you're trading futures, so you can't. OnlyFans, maybe. Yeah, OnlyFans is probably the biggest one. Probably my main one right now. It's booming at the minute. You won't be able to. You won't be able to see that far back on Top Step or on futures in general because you're trading current contracts. You'll be able to see much further back than the 5th though. You just probably will have the gap. You probably have to keep scrolling. But at some point it will start to go gappy because it's different contracts, different contract months. Look at this volume on gold, man. It's so dead. I won't even be watching this right now. This is so slow.
Yeah.
Only scalps. Nice. How do you add ticks and P&L to show on the chart? It just automatically comes up at the top when you're in a position. Like if you check one of my reels, you'll be able to see it. It just shows your position at the top, how many contracts you're in, the price you're in from, and your profit and loss. I still think gold's gonna have a spike lower, but this volume gives me no reason to take absolutely anything right now. Like I say, you can short this resistance if you want to play the range. It's not a bad range to play. It's 20 ticks. I would prefer to short from these 30-minute highs.
Yeah. There's no rush though, eh?
Nah, no
To
rush,
be
man.
honest.
I could just be doing else. I just, well, when it's like this, it's just so boring. Like, if I'm like on my own and it's like this, I literally don't even watch it. I'll just wait for every 15 or 30.
I've just been changing my rugby fantasy team.
Ooh, nice.
I just can't stop watching them at the moment.
Nice.
The next one is in Oz as well.
Is it? Nice.
Is it? I don't think it's that big in Australia, is it?
Nah.
Maybe.
They're more into like their football, they call it. Any public takers on the retreat? Civilians? Nah, I don't think so, right? I think it's just, so far, it's just actually community guys. I don't think anyone on well, let me check my emails. I don't think so. I think it's just, it's all community guys so far, man. Yeah, I'll post the link. If anyone wants to check it out. I mean, if we got like 11 people going or some shit, which is like more than enough for me. I mean, there is still a few spots. Yeah, 11 is good, man. 11's solid.
What's the total number of spots?
Like 14 or 15, man.
Yeah.
So there's only like
It's just
4
too
left.
early for me right now.
Yeah, okay, man. Yeah. Finish it. Is that the like the kind of beach club kind of thing?
Did you guys book the flights to Bali yet?
No, I haven't yet, man. Not yet.
I think Savaya is very nice. Savaya Bali. Better than Fins. Check it out.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I've heard of Fins before.
Oh, wow.
Fins does look fucking sweet. Yeah, Fins looks
That's
sweet,
class.
man. Yeah, it looks fucking amazing.
So
I
I
use that now.
do call one of the top artists from the world every weekend.
Oh,
For the
really?
DJ. Yeah.
That's
It's
pretty
very
sick.
amazing.
Yeah, that's sick, man.
You would get a table in there at advance. if you want.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, I like that, me.
Alad, are you going?
Yeah.
Don't know yet.
Yeah.
If I am, I'm not saying.
Alice is a surprise guest.
Yeah. He'll be showing up at the end moment. Batman.
Alice. Alice the guest
I
speaker.
can make it happen, I will.
Good man.
There's a lot going on next year.
Yeah.
Black Clock.
Alice doing the cooking.
Actually, do that much cooking, did he?
I don't think we did any.
It's just so cheap to,
It's cheaper to eat out,
Yeah.
yeah.
to bring, yeah. We just wanted like a nice coffee, get on the charts, in
Yeah.
the pool in the morning.
Pretty much.
And then someone just woke up late, started shouting a little bit too loud, and he wanted to order a buffet.
Oh man. Well, I'm not a mind reader, alright? If you don't tell me what's going on.
London session started at 2 p.m. in the Bali.
Yeah, which is pretty sweet, yeah. Bali
You guys
just
can
is
even did Asia.
I think so, Ron. I think they use what's the app in Thailand called? I'm pretty sure it's the same.
Thailand.
Did we just grab the previous?
Jack.
Yeah, that's the one. I'm looking for potential flips on this current
Yeah,
five.
it's the same.
Yeah, nice.
Thailand,
Yeah,
same as Bali. Yeah,
yeah, nice.
like just Thailand's just an hour early to Bali.
Yeah, yeah.
1 hour difference.
Yeah, like looking back now, I'm just like, why didn't I laugh at these situations right there and then? When you were a row all the way from the villa all the way to the cafe, and he still was giving you a row.
That was furious. You know, guys, with an MP5.
Ah, fuck
No
it.
way.
I'm going to Bali.
Done. You heard it here first. That's on YouTube as well. Alright, maybe not flip this 5. I think it looks like we're going to come and grab. Looks like we're going to come and grab these 30-minute highs on Goldie here. Previous hourly was very bearish. This hourly may just close a bit doji. Take up, yeah. Ronnie, are you in? Are you in? Yeah, Ron's coming. Yeah. Ron, are you in Phuket or are you in? I think you're in. I saw you in Bangkok. I think Joe's still in Phuket. Come on, God, give us some franchise people. Oh, very nice, man. That's cool. Very nice. What's this volume on gold? 10 ticks. Oh, Joe's all alone. Joe's not going to know what to do with himself.
Ron's left him.
Yeah, Ron's left him already. He's had enough.
What? Ron?
Bullish from Chinese with the owners last night. Nice.
Oh, Joe was.
No, Ron's in Bangkok with the franchise owners.
Very nice.
And
Go on, Ron.
I think Joe fell asleep in Phuket and didn't wake up for it or something. Missed
Yeah,
his
probably,
flight.
yeah. After 2 chance. Come on in, Alan. We'll go on runs.
Oh my god.
Whoa, no. No. We have to go to shots and everything.
Lasted what, 1? No, I don't even know if he even lasted 1.
We lost him.
Didn't see him.
Oh no. He was shadow boxing and that.
Yes, he was.
Then he hit himself. Shadow boxing.
Kata Beach, yeah. I heard of Kata Beach, yeah. Any trades taken yesterday, Aaron? No, nothing yesterday, Anthony. I haven't taken a trade since like Thursday. I didn't trade NFP. I didn't trade yesterday either, man. This is my first day back on. Boston, what's going on, man? Well, I'd like to take a trade here, but there's absolutely dead volume on this current 5. 5 may flip bullish, but it's not worth it.
On the futures on the hourly.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Solid.
Why is it so dark here?
I'd like to trade in the dark.
Oh yeah.
15 closed bullish. Instant bottom wick on this current 15 on gold. Yeah, we'll make like a group chat or community little channel for the retreat, so we can all chat before. Plan to do more trading retreats. Yeah, boss, I'll definitely do some more, man. Yeah, maybe not next year. I'll probably just do 1 next year, but maybe the year after. Yeah, hopefully do like 1 or 2 a year, man, for sure. That'd be cool, man. Definitely. So 30 previous highs been grabbed on gold. 15's closed bullish. I don't think anything's going to happen in the next 12 minutes, to be honest, unfortunately. And I'm not really going to sit and watch this. Things doing also go in a couple of weeks. Oh, very nice, man. Very nice. It's going to be fucking pretty cold there at the minute, I think. Is it cold? Yeah, it will be. minutes to pass my where's the signal? Oh, very nice. Stay patient with that, man. So you get 10 ticks easy today. Continuation back down to these lows pretty easy once you grab some highs. Easy, man. Good job. But yeah, things to do in Oslo. Obviously you'll go see the opera house and shit like that, which is pretty cool. There's loads of like nice cool bars to go around there. You can do like a floating sauna thing, which is pretty cool. I'll go check out the library, which sounds pretty weird, but the library is fucking crazy. And what Tony said. You'll see absolute tens everywhere. I went to. We got the go on the train. You can get the train up to like some amazing hiking points as well. But there's lots of them. Loads of nice little coffee spots as well. Going to miss anything so. Yeah, there's loads of nice places, man. Loads of nice areas. Where's the area I used to go to, which is really nice? Let me show you. Let me find it here. Scrolling back a while now. Here we go. Where are we? Who was I in Oslo? 2 years ago, I think now? A year and a half? Let me see. I was there in, June last year. So where's a nice area? I mean, it's huge. It depends where you're staying. Like, there's so many cool spots to go to. I'll send you some, man. Message me on Discord. I'll send you some. I have a lot. You know, there's so many nice places to go for like nice walks up the river and spider dogs. Oh, it doesn't have the location on these pictures. But yeah, loads. It's pretty fucking expensive to be honest, but it is a very beautiful country. And yeah.
I really want to go to Switzerland as well.
Yeah, Switzerland looks incredible as well, man.
But apparently that is very expensive.
Yeah, that would be in Switzerland.
We used to have like a Norwegian or Swedish in the community, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah. I think that there's still a few Scandinavian guys in there, I think, actually.
Is that? What is gold up to, eh?
It's so fucking crazy. I downloaded an app, which I reckon everyone should download. It's an app called Bean, Been. And you write down everywhere you've been in the world, and it shows you how much % of the world you've seen. I've only seen 9% of the world.
You have?
Yeah. I know, I thought I'd seen a lot. I put in everywhere I've been, it's like you've seen 9% of the world. I'm like, holy shit. It's pretty cool. Where do I show you? Look here. Wait. So you put in everywhere you've been, and it like gives you like a map. I was like, I've been to 9% of the world. I'm like, holy shit. I thought I'd fucking traveled a little bit more.
Bean.
Yeah, Ben. That one. Cosmo bit. Yeah. It's pretty cool, man. Did anyone play that little range? How's the range? What you got from that little high?
Yeah. I'm looking for the short, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I've been to 18 countries.
18?
Yeah.
Go on, lad.
And that's only 9% of the world. Which is fucking crazy.
Oh, you don't have to type in like cities or anything like that, yeah?
No, yeah, it just does it by countries. So I mean, I've been to 9% of the world, but I put that I've been to Australia, but it's like I've been to like 5% of Australia as well. But it does all of Australia. So if you do, because you've been to Canada, it will do like the whole of Canada. So that'll take up a huge % for you.
Yeah. And I've been to America.
Yeah, well, I think I've been to like New York and San Francisco, but I was like, I can't put on America because I haven't been to the whole of it. I've been to like 2 little parts. But it's a pretty cool app. I mean, there's a fucking. I've never even been to Ireland. I've been to... No, never, no. Never. I got some
This
achievements.
is this is a competition.
Yeah, we're gonna do the training retreat in. Oh, we're trying to fill out this map. Oh, here he is.
Yeah.
So he's joining. Oh, there you go. There's that push on.
Lewis.
There's that push on Goldie. Nice little 5-minute fake out there.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey up, Joe.
You alright?
Good man, you?
Yeah, not bad.
Good man.
Isle of Man.
How's Thailand life?
Oh, another team of Jersey.
Good. It's good vibe.
Good man. Is it good weather?
Let's have a look.
Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that, man. Very nice. Living the dream.
Just chilling.
Good man.
Chilling day today. Not doing much.
What you been up to recently? Just chilling?
Yeah, been to Qatar.
Nice.
Karen Beach.
Good man.
I need to go see the Buddha again because that's like brain food for me.
Get that Buddha to smack your head again.
Yeah. Rubbing his lobes. Yeah, it's good, man. It's really good.
Good man.
Bet you can't wait to come.
Yeah, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I think your sins to be forgiven.
I've already done that.
Take too long, I think.
Yeah.
9%, I think.
Really?
No. So, I don't know what that means. So, countries is 6%.
Try and go for 100%.
Regions is 9%. No, 6% then.
Yeah.
Countries.
Yeah, I'd try and go for 100%. I don't think so, though.
Northern Ireland is in there though.
Are you on B?
Yeah. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need
I've seen
to.
it. I've seen a few ads.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'm probably like 2%. That's what I'm joking. I can't right now.
Yeah, I've only done 9%, so I need to travel more. Ooh.
Only done 9%. That's crazy. Yeah, but you do need to travel more.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna get short on this flip of this current 5 on Goldie here. If this 5 can flip back bearish. Where's that gonna be? What's it gonna be like?
Just telling you that this is the last buy of the owl.
Yeah, true. How's the Owly looking? Yeah. Good point, man. Good point. See, look how quick you got 10 ticks. What, from there to there? 20. Literally in this tiny little range on gold. What time is it there, Joe?
Are you gonna still short it after that?
Well, yeah, like we were just saying, I think because it's the last 5 of the Owly, it gets pretty risky because it's usually the most volatile
Yeah.
5. And then you got to survive the next wick of the Owly. So
Over here it's 3.
3, yeah, nice, man. What have you
What
done?
is it now? Is it 6 there?
Yeah, 5 to 6, man.
Yeah.
What have you done today?
Literally, I'm having a chill day. I'm not doing much.
Nice.
I'm just tired. Just jet lag. Like, I'm going to bed at like 3 in the morning, or 3:30 in the morning. And I still need to get my sleep right, to be fair with you.
Yeah, man. Should join a gym or some shit.
Yeah, I've been to gym once. Only like 150 for the day, like across the road. One that Ron goes to as well.
Yeah, it's decent, man.
So I'm just gonna start there, but I really need to start like my sleep's like everywhere. I keep waking up like 6 times during the night 'cause it's too hot on that.
Yeah.
But going from like what 10 degrees to 32, it's a big jump.
Yeah, it's huge.
So I'm gonna have a look at this beam.
If gold doesn't flip from here, which is looking like it's not going to, I think you may come and grab these previous 30-minute highs on gold, and then shorting down into all these levels is going to be a pretty simple trade. At any point, you're going to liquidate all of these lows for like minimum 20 ticks. Unless you flip in this 5, you can short this little flip here. It's risky because it's the last 5 of the hourly, but if it aggressively flips down in the next couple of minutes and the hourly closes with a nice bearish candle, it's going to be a, what's this? Yeah, 12. I think it's probably best to wait. But at any point, all of these lows here are going to get grabbed on gold. It's going to be a pretty easy short down. If you do grab previous 30 highs, then you're going to get like 30. Here to here is your mark on this hourly high now. Let me go here back to 30. Let me get rid of this. Actually, let's put it here. I think this hourly's going to close pretty doji though, to be honest. A nice push down today in London though. Nice push down. Shame it didn't really grab the highs, but it was a nice little push down. So it's expected to chop until then. If these highs had grabbed, it would have been lovely short. How long till we go to Vietnam, Joe? Where's my countdown?
Sorry, bro. What?
How long till we go to Vietnam? Where is it? I haven't got a countdown. Where is it?
A month and 5 days.
Nice. When do I go again? I don't remember.
Is Keith going to meet you over there this time?
After the retreat or Vietnam?
Yeah.
No, she's not. After retreat, I think we'll do something. We're trying to see if we can do a Euro trip. To be honest, man, I'd like to get back to Europe next summer.
Oh, nice.
But if we're gonna come, we're probably gonna come for like at least like 2-3 months.
Yeah.
Oh, it has to be worth.
After that 100%.
Yeah, I'm going to Africa. I'm going everywhere.
It's started war now.
Oh yeah, I want to go to. We're thinking about going to like America or Mexico or something. Maybe.
Yeah.
How long to Vietnam? Where's my timer? Get rid of this.
Mexico's nice, apparently.
Yeah, Mexico looks stunning, man. It does.
In terms of the outlook.
Yeah, they'd be shocking. They'd be absolutely shocking. Colombia, yeah, Colombia would be sick, man. Colombia would be fucking cool. Short these 30 lows. 20 ticks. Goldie. When are we going to Vietnam? We're going on November 16th. 7 AM. Yeah, 1 month and 5 days. Nice. 1 month and 5 days.
Big trip.
Yeah, big trip, man. When are you going to next place, Joe? PB and wherever you're going?
25th to Alman for 4 days.
Nice.
And then PP for 3 days. Then meeting Mark in Phuket for a week, and then we got to Vietnam.
Nice.
Yeah, but Phuket's good, but I don't know. Phuket is good. It's like Patong you need to stay away from.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Patong, man.
Patong is good for like a one-off every like couple of weeks, maybe even a month. But
Yeah.
there's nice places like Katu's nice, where I am.
Yeah.
Kata, Kamala, Kara, and stuff like that.
But yeah, that's it for me for now. I'm not really going to watch this too much longer. I guess setting a alert on the flip of this 30 though, because once this 30 flips bearish, you're probably going to see a pretty nice drive back down into like 1867 on gold. I think it's going to be a pretty nice target, or at least these liquidity lows here. These are all the liquidity for levels that are very likely all going to get absolutely smashed today. So you got these highs here and these lows here. I think the ideal scenario here is that you short down into these lows, you grab this liquidity, and then you could see all of this grabbed. Anyone who's jumping long on gold right now is going to be trying to do something like this. They're going to have their stop just below their support. So at any point, you could see gold come and grab them lows, which, you know, on gold, shorting down into that liquidity is like 30 ticks, which is amazing. But for me personally, actually, let me set an alert like above this 30 high somewhere. I consider a short above there. 15 high, probably. Actually, let me do it on the 15. Let me get rid of this. I consider shorts maybe once you grab this previous 15 high here, or on the flip of the candle. So you have alert above and below. But yeah, that's it for me for London, guys. For you guys on Zoom, I'm going to let this develop a little bit more, see if we can get that short back down to these lows. If not, I'm going to look for some potential pre-New York session today, see if we can get some more plays later on. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. I'll talk to you guys in Discord in like an hour or 2 hours. Enjoy, guys. See you soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. I've set some alerts. You guys have my liquidity levels for the day. I'm going to wait for gold to flip bearish on this 30 before looking for a trade. But I'm not going to sit here and watch it. I've set my alerts. Once they go off, I'll come back. But the volume is very, very low today, as expected with such big news tomorrow. But yeah, I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. We'll be live again tomorrow, same time. So I'll see you guys then. Trade safe, be smart. See you next time. Peace.